Hey everyone, Age Graceful here. How's it going? This is the month of November and it's time for another KIRF collab. Thank you so very much for selecting my channel to watch and support, as well as supporting all the ladies who produce such fantastic content. I'm going to be showing you in a few minutes their inspiration photos. But first, I want to tell you a little bit about what this month is all about. I'm going to read from the script that Stephanie C. from the Glitzy Gems channel sent to me because it's quite lengthy and I don't want to leave out anything. November 11th is National Sundae Day. November the 2nd is Candy Day. We can create a look with candy or ice cream themed eyeshadow palettes, or create a candy or sundae inspirational look using any palette that you want. Another idea that she thought of is November the 3rd is Daylight Savings Time. We can create a throwback inspired look to go with the daylight savings time of rolling back the clock 1 hour. Which one do you guys think that I selected? What do you think all the other ladies will select? Well, let's take a peek at their inspiration photos and maybe you can figure it out from there. Here we go. Weren't those some beautiful photos? I am so excited to see the full videos. Make sure that after you watch my video that you go over to all the ladies' channels to see what they did in full. This month, sadly, one of our members from KIRF Collab Group will not be participating. Her name is FAYE BLATCHER from the FAYE BLATCHER YouTube channel. We were all notified at the time of this filming that FAYE has passed away. I am extending my sincere condolences to the family of FAYE BLATCHER. Not only was she a member of KIRF Collabs, but a dear friend to me since our YouTube careers began. FAYE, rest in peace, my love. You will be missed. To begin my look, I'll be moisturizing with the Volition Neroli Complete Cream. It contains Avec vitamin C and vegan collagen. In addition to the cream, I'm moisturizing with organic castor oil by Majestic Pure. After thoroughly moisturizing, I selected the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer for my complexion. The candy-inspired palette that I chose today is the BH Cosmetics Chocolate Cherry Truffle palette. These are the shades. The BH Cosmetics Chocolate Cherry Truffle palette is actually a blush palette. Today I'm going to interchange these shades for shadow shades. To begin, I'm using the shade in the top right-hand corner as my transition shade. I'm going to apply this on the inner third and into my crease area. Next, I'm going to pick up some of the shade in the bottom left-hand side of the palette, and I'll apply that to the outer third and sweep that into the crease. Now, using the same fluffy blender as I used to apply the first shade, I'm going to blend the two. It appears as if I'm on an interchanging palette mission today. With that being said, I'll be using the Killowatt Foils highlighter palette to apply this next shade. I selected this white shade and I'm going to apply that on the inner third of the lid. Using a different large blending brush, I'm going to clean up this area now and blend these shades where they meet. What was left over on the brush, I applied to the brow bone area. It's been a while since I've used this highlighter palette. With that being said, I should have laid down glitter glue, so now I have to do a little bit of cleanup. As well as reapply a little bit of primer. On my complexion, I'll be using the Ulta Beauty Skin Tint. This is in shade Deep Neutral. I must add this product to my list of best products that I have found during the year 2024. Trust me, I highly recommend it for not only the price point, but as well as the coverage and what it gives. It gives a lot. To highlight my complexion, I'll be using the LA Pro Girl Concealer. This is in the shade Toffee. Now that I have laid down my highlighting concealer, let's blend it on out. This is a hidden giveaway alert. Listen guys, I need your help. I have progressively gotten worse in terms of my allergies to setting powder and pressed powders. Are there any products out there that I have not tried yet? Please leave your solution to my problem, your answer that is, in the comments section. I would greatly appreciate it. All answers will be considered for the giveaway. After blending out the highlighting concealer, I'm now bronzing with the Revolution Beauty bronzing powder. This is in shade Medium. I've bronzed my jawline and cheekbones. Now it's time for the nose. To enhance my eyebrows, I'm using the Brow Pomade by LA Pro Girl. This is in the shade Dark Brown. brows are all set, so now I'm moving on to my waterline, and I'll apply a gel liner by NYX in the shade Black. Also by NYX, I'll be using their Vivid Brights eyeliner. This is in the shade number 4, and the shade name is called On Red. This is the packaging for that eyeliner. The packaging looks more like a rust shade than red. Here I'm just going to add the smallest amount of powder foundation. This is by Fenty in shade number 400. I'm using the smallest amount just to absorb the sebum on my skin. It's lash time. Today I'll be using the Duo adhesive. This is the adhesive with vitamins, which is good for your lash line. The lashes that I'll be using are by KISS, and the style is called Midnight. Onto the lips, I'm using the Maybelline Vinyl Ink in shade number 25. Caution when using this vinyl ink, it will get on any and everything, so be very careful until it has fully dried. Listen everyone, if you love makeup and you would love to join KIRF, please reach out to me on Instagram at Age Graceful. We would love to have you. After applying my lip color, I purse my lips together a little bit and blow until it's dry. That reduces the drying time. And ladies and gents, my look is completed, and here are the final results. Everyone knows that my favorite is ice cream. Well, go crazy. Of course, I selected National Sundae Day. My favorite is vanilla, but this is with cherries on top. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. I sure enjoyed having you over to my channel. Please don't forget to go and support all the ladies. Their links will be found in my description box area. Everyone be blessed and stay safe. Love you. Bye-bye for now.